Hey everybody, it's me RJ. Today I'm going to diagnose a PTO engagement problem and repair and replace the switch. So here's what you're going to have, your problem. Blink the hours of the thing on and off. So what you're gonna have to do is remove your PTO. If you have the Ferris FW35, you're gonna have 3 pins on the right, the NC, when you're looking at the adult side, 2 pins the bottom, not up. There's different ones. I'm gonna put the link to the correct one on here. So these just go bad over time. This one will still engage. Sometimes they'll just stop engaging. And this is the 3-point switch where you have like that, and while it's up, you let go of the blades, it'll turn off and you can still re-engage it. I'm gonna show you though, so you don't have to take the thing apart. Here's how you remove one. Handy dandy bent screwdriver. Everyone should have one. You usually get it because something you're trying to pry and you bend it and then you're like, you know what, I could still use this for something. It has use. This one I also used to tighten the blade on my chainsaw. My Echo 440 is up on the side of the blade. So here's what you got. 4 clips. So the switch is right here, and what you're gonna have to do is come here and show them from below here. You got this metal bar here for the oh, that isn't the one for the engagement. Oh, that's for the drive system.
It's for the
for the drive speed. Okay, so you have this bar, it's in your way. The switch comes right here and you can't get to it with that in there. If not, you have to take all it down. It's not that bad. You could just remove these bolts, but I'm gonna tell you what you can do. You reach in, you hold it from over here, kind of. I'll move over to the other side so you can hold it. Okay?
Okay.
You get under here and you're gonna reach up. Can you see where I'm going?
Yeah.
So you're gonna go like this. Boom and boom on the ones on the top side first towards the deck. And then you're gonna slightly lean this and it'll pop up out of the hole while you hold the 2. And then when you get that angle, you can get this guy in here like this or come in from like the side here is what I did, I think. And I hit the first one, and then I got this guy and I turned him around backwards. See, because he's bent, he gets a better angle, and then you just reach in, and you're gonna have to see what you're doing and push in. And while you do that, and then you just, it took, what do you think, 2 minutes or so? I mean, it was a wrestle and fight, and you had to have someone up top to help pull it. Okay, so that's your fix. So here's the new part. Got this off of that there Amazon. How much was it?
No, we got this one on Walmart.
Did we?
Yeah.
Did we?
Amazon only had the
wrong
universal ones.
Oh, and we never became a Walmart affiliate because they never answered us back ever. All right, well, I'll probably put that one anyway, even though that's BS. Here's your new installation. I guess I'll start it and try it out first before I install it because that would suck if this one's bad too. Or if I have a shut-off switch, which is actually the problem, but I'm 90% sure it's this, because guess why? This is actually off the 52, and I stole the one off the 48 and put it on the 52 to get it to work. So. All day, son. All day.
What was that?
What was that?
Yeah.
What, the noise?
Yeah.
Did I shut the mower off while the blades are still going?
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, boom. That's how they go back in. But the getting out can be a little bit of pain in my butt. Butt talks. Now she's got me all like, oh, what's wrong? So now I have to show her. That better? You feel better?
Mm-hmm.
You less worried?
Okay.
Handy dandy. The blades were spinning while I shut it off. There's your repair for the day. It's quick, easy, and a split. Woo! We got it done. So yeah, hope this helps you. Like I said, I'll put a link below for the Walmart one, even though I'm not going to make any money off it. So if y'all could do me a huge favor, watch some ads, go to other videos that have Amazon links and buy something at 30 cents. Ain't gonna hurt you because it doesn't raise the price, but it could change a life. For just 30 cents a day, you could change RJ's life. Look at him. You can tell he can barely eat. Alright, so there we go. Do that. Please like and subscribe. Every little bit helps during these times. And as always, I'm RJ. Seize the day. So, coronavirus. Seize the day each and every day. Get out there and get mowing. Just stay away from me while you do it.